Good morning, son. You eat your breakfast, sir? Mark! Halika na. You eat here. Sit down. Halika na. Kain ka na. Dali. Kuha na pagkain. Kumuha ng plato mo. You eat. Eat well. God bless you, son. Hindi ka na nakita. Upo ka na. Hello, nak. Mat, hello. Hindi ka na. Kain ka na dito. Yaba! You eat. Come here. Oh, eat na, eat na, eat na. Eat your breakfast. Okay, sit down here. Eat your breakfast. Okay. Hello, nak. Sige na. Okay. Lalabas na yung car natin. Mama, tingin sa camera. Tingin. Hello, you eat your breakfast, Mark, ha? Okay, eat well. Okay, God bless everyone.